Bossman Beard Jelly. Now, this is a product that I tried and reviewed over 4 years ago. It's been quite a while since I used this, and to go back to that video, my overall thoughts and feelings were I didn't really like the product. I kind of reserved it for nighttime use because I was really early in the game. I'm like, I'm gonna use all the products that I have, but I really felt like this product never absorbed into my beard. It left it feeling greasy no matter how little I used. Now, I liked the scents, I liked the packaging, I thought the company was professional. They actually offered me an affiliate 2 different times. I politely declined because I didn't like the products. Of course, I'm only going to align myself with companies that I use and that I love. And so I did turn them down every single time. But I keep having people that ask me about this, that recommend this, that say that they love it. And I'm like, you know what? And I've been hearing that a lot lately. And I said, it's been a long time. Over these 4+ years, I've learned a lot about my beard, about beards in general, about beard products, as we all should, right? We should learn, we should grow, and every year gain a little bit more knowledge. And so I'm like, let me go ahead and grab some, let me try it out, let me review it at night, during the day, and really kind of see where I think it's at now. Maybe it was just a case that I didn't understand the purpose of it. And I want to tell you guys to start, first off, if you're excited to hear the new information, if you could, please hit a thumbs up for me. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dancy Bearded. I hope you consider subscribing if you like learning about beards, whether it's products or styling or health, whatever it may be, you're in the right spot, and thank you to those returning subscribers. But okay, Dan, get to the news. Got it. The news on this was, it was even worse. This is way worse than I thought it was with my experience, in my opinion. I don't believe that this has a place in the beard game for a healthy, well-maintained beard. Now, everybody has their personal preferences, right? Everybody has what works for them, what they like, what they think. This is just simply what I think and what I have experienced. That same exact overwhelming experience is that it does not absorb into my beard hairs no matter what. And I do not believe that this should be intended for the hair. Now, we have products in the beard game. We have beard oil, we have beard balm, we have beard butter. Those are the main ones. We got beard wax, we got some other stuff, but those are the 3 main ones. And I'm glad that this is actually named something different because it is none of those. Now, the problem is all of those have specific jobs, specific tasks for the healthier beard and the styling. Beard oil is pure nourishment. It's going to treat the skin first and then the hairs. Beard butter is deep nourishment for the hairs. Beard balm is a styling agent, but a little bit of nourishment in there as well. This, I don't know what the purpose is, and let me explain by going over the ingredients here. We have avocado and castor oil first. Okay, not bad. I'm cool with that. And then we get in here cocoa butter. Now, I do not believe that butter should be applied to the pores on your face where you have facial hair. It's just more likely to clog those pores, which is going to lead to slower growth, which is going to lead to beard acne. It's going to lead to a whole bunch of problems. So when you put in beard butter, you want to focus it on the hair, not into the skin. Well, we got butter on here. Okay, and then we keep going down to the next one. Beeswax, even more so clogging and something that should not be into your pores on your face. I'm just strictly talking about your facial hair, is beeswax. So I'm like, what do you do with this? Is this kind of like a greasy beard butter, like an overnight treatment? But for me, there's better options out there. And then beyond that, we have shea butter again. And then one that really sticks with me, guys, is we have in here soybean oil. And I want to make sure we got the oil. Yep, soybean oil. I am not a fan of soybean oil whatsoever. I do not believe it has a place in beard products. For me, in my opinion, it's a cheap filler ingredient. It doesn't have any value that another oil couldn't give us. It's just something that is often put in there. You'll find it in cheap soaps. You'll find it in different oils that have to be like bonded with another oil, and that's the one that they go to. Why? Because it's not expensive. So for me, you guys, this was a very big disappointment. I went in with an open mind. I said, hey, 4 years, I've learned, people that I know use this, and man, I will never use this again. I will never recommend this. But if you're using it and it works for you, let's say you like a shiny beard, you like that light hint and it lights up like a disco ball. And I do not say that in any kind of sarcastic way. There are some people that like that. Hey, maybe this is going to be the product for you. It's just not for me, and I don't see where it fits into a routine. So I know a lot of you have tried these products. What are your thoughts? And again, please share openly. If you love it, that's great. One thing that I will say is they actually have some fantastic scents. I wish it was just put into better quality products for my beard specifically. So leave a comment down below. Let's just keep the lens of respect, right? We don't have to bash, we don't have to go crazy on here, but just give your genuine experience. If you bought this and you've tried this, what was your takeaway with spending your money? Were you happy with that? Or is that one that you wish you had back and you didn't go to? So unfortunately, I had to make this update. I did have to try it, and I'm gonna be throwing this away afterwards. I'm not gonna pass it on to anybody else. I'm just gonna kind of pitch it, and I cannot wait to read the comments, you guys. I think I covered everything. Thank you for watching today. Please stay bearded and stay positive.